How much does a gallon sell for? I mean, what is our cost on a gallon? Yeah, it's good. Go ahead.
That new wheel will be on the front of it now. That side. The primary cover right there will be on.
I think you're probably right, needing it. That shit gets to be worse. Come on down, Mr. Bill. Come on. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Back up just a hair. How's that work? How are we over there? Here's gonna be the whole thing.
And they got the windshield piece on here too. Or underneath. Look at that, you don't really wanna, it's bright. I just took a picture of them back here.
rocker box cover and everything, we're not gonna put those on until we do the top ends. Y'all not doing anything on special cut on the crash bar, are you? Okay, I'll test mine, yeah, they'll go out.
Tour pack.
How about, I'm gonna want that, so I mean, I'll
Stand
put
behind
it
and
on
look
for
at
that
it.
Monday.
Huh?
But I'm
Stand
just trying to
behind.
figure out,
They'll give you your true look, I think.
how about trying to